teacher and hello everyone. Today I'm continue lesson on day 22nd. Now I start phonogram. I practice sound O-A sound O. Oak, 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 oak. Soap, 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 soap. Goat, 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 goat. And go to blending. This word again. Oak, 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 oak. Soap, 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 soap. Goat, 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 goat. Oak, soak, oak, soak. Foam, foam. Road, 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 road. Coat, 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 coat. Oat, float, oat, float. Boat, 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 boat. Toad, toad, old, toad. Simple sentences. Ben left his coat on the road. Ben left his coat on the road. Again. Ben left his coat on the road. Ben ទុកអាវរបស់គាត់ចោលនៅលើផ្លូវ If it rains, it will get soaked. If it rains, it will get soaked. ប្រសិនបើវាភ្លៀងវានឹងត្រាំទឹក Oh no. The man groans as his boat float away. The man is so unhappy. Again. Oh no. The man groans as his boat float away. The man is so unhappy. Oh ទេបុរសត្អូញត្អែថាទូករបស់គាត់នឹងគឺអណ្ដែតទៅឆ្ងាយហើយបុរសនឹងគឺមិនសប្បាយចិត្តទេ The toad croaks as the rain soaks his skin. The toad croaks as the rain soaks his skin. កង្កែបស្រែកយំស្បែករបស់គាត់នឹងគឺត្រាំទឹកភ្លៀង The toad is so happy in the rain. The toad is so happy in the rain. គង្គក់គឺសប្បាយចិត្តនៅក្នុងទឹកភ្លៀង Okay teacher, now finish and see you next video. Goodbye teacher and goodbye everyone.